Now, Dermstore is not putting out any advents this year. However, they are killing it with their limited edition bundles. And this bundle is only $85 and there's 11 full-size products inside of it. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be checking out one of the limited edition bundles from Dermstore. Now this place, I will tell you guys, Dermstore is cranking out these limited edition bundles. They have a lot available for the end of the year. The idea is that it's easy shopping. You can buy one for someone as a gift and then it's full of products inside. So we're gonna look at this latest bundle and check it all out today. So this bundle that we're looking at today is called the Get Ready With Me kit. It will retail for $100 on their website. However, I have an exclusive discount code that will save you $15 off of your order. So if you use my link and my code all listed down below, you'll actually get this whole bundle for only 85 bucks. So the idea behind this bundle is that you'll take this with you while you're traveling. This is the travel bag, and then inside are all of your beauty needs. So there's skincare in here, but there is going to be makeup as well. And you're essentially able to get ready in the morning on the go by means of all of these products in here. So in no real particular order, I'm just gonna pull these out and show you what's inside here. But obviously when you're getting ready in the morning with this kit, start with your skincare first and then go into your makeup after that. So the first item that I have here is the Glow Skin Beauty. This is a cream eyeshadow stick. So this is our first full-size product inside. The shade that we have, it's called Keepsake. So this is called Keepsake, and this will be your cream eyeshadow stick. This will be the color that you see down here. I've been talking about these with you guys, that they're showing up everywhere. It's like the latest trend for makeup. They've been around for a long time, but all of a sudden the cream sticks have got a lot of traction. And I think it's because they're so easy to apply. And especially in this case, the idea is to take it with you traveling. But you can just draw this on your eyelid, use your finger to kind of buff out that edge, and then you instantly have eyeshadow that looks great. It stays in place really well because it is a cream formula, so it doesn't flake off like powders tend to do. So that's also another perk to this, is that it's gonna just stay in place. There's also a full-size mascara inside of this bag from Tarte, and this is their Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So it is a 4-in-1 mascara, meaning it will volumize, lengthen, and curl your lashes, and it's also going to be a 24-hour wearing mascara. So it is in the shade black. I don't think this is waterproof if I remember correctly. It's just smudge proof and flake free. They do make a waterproof version of this, but that's not what this one is. But this is also a really popular mascara. I've used it before and I do enjoy it. It's not my personal favorite, but believe me, there are millions that love this product. So it's not a bad product to have in here at all. And I love that we have a good full-size product here. So we have lots to use when we're getting ready. Actually, it's kind of fun to dig in this bag, you guys. It's like, oh, what else is gonna be in here? So my next item is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Brow Fill. So it is a brow gel that is supposed to volumize those brows. Now it is going to be a clear formula that you will be able to put on. This is, well, I think it's full size. It's 4 grams or 0.14 ounces. I want to say this is full size, but I could be wrong on it, but I'm pretty sure it is. So it is a clear formula that you're able to just put on. It will help you to fluff your brows out. So if you love a feathered look, this will really help with that, and then they'll set in place. Or if you just want to move your brows around to kind of fill in any low spots. So if you have some areas that are a little bit thinner than others, you can use this to kind of mask that over and move them over as well. So it's a great product if you just want to have them fuller, if you want to fill it out, it will definitely do that. So this will give you kind of a before and after look where you're not even using any sort of pigment. There's no colors, but the gel will help you to line your lashes, or not your lashes, your brows up to give you maximum coverage. The next product that I have in here is from Wander Beauty. This is their Lip Retreat Oil. So there is a tint to this lip product, but it is a full-size product. So this will be an oil that will help to lock in moisture for your lips as well. It will have a touch of shine to it, and it states that it is a long-lasting gloss. The shade that we have is Tan Lines. So it looks like it's got a brownish tint to it, but I feel like there's also a red undertone in there. So it's kind of like a reddish brown color. So this is what it will look like here. And then this is all cruelty free, but man, that shine it is glossy, you guys. It looks like glass. So apparently all the makeup's on top because my next item is from Nude Sticks. This is their all over face highlighter. So the shade that we have is Euphorics. I think that's how you pronounce that. It is a full-size product that we have here. This is going to be a cream stick, and in this case, it is your highlighter. So it's got a gorgeous shine here. This will have a touch of gold to it, so it's a warmer highlighter. But on the other end, you're actually going to have a buffing brush. And that's what I love about Nude Sticks is then you have your brush built in with it. So you're able to draw on the highlight, then take your brush and kind of blend and buff out those edges. That way it doesn't look like you just have a streak painted on. But again, I mean, we're literally getting everything we need to get ready in the morning. We've got our mascara, our eyeshadow, our brows are done, we've got our lips done, and now we're adding a little bit of highlight. Like, I like what I'm seeing so far. So now we're gonna move on to our blush. This is from Jane Iredale. I will tell you, Dermstore loves Jane Iredale. I always see her products in their kits, which isn't a bad thing. It's just a very common brand that I see in here. So this is a full-size product, and this blush is in the shade Copper Wind. Jane Iredale is all cruelty-free as well, and her products are very long-lasting. So I like that you can put this on and you'll have pigment all throughout the day. I do think they're gonna work well together. Like that golden shimmer with this color, I think they're gonna blend out really well, especially if you blend them together. I think it'll be perfect. Okay, moving on. The next item that I have, oh, we do have an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so if you don't wanna use the cream stick, you could totally use the powder eyeshadows that I was talking about earlier. This is from Ico London. It's the Limitless eyeshadow palette. So this one is cruelty-free and PETA verified even. And inside, we should have 6 different shadows. They will all be that powder formula. And then there will be a mirror inside as well. This is what they will look like. So again, it's giving us that very soft, neutral looking glam. So it's not too over the top. It's a very easy breezy look. Now the next item that I have in here is from First Aid Beauty. These are the Bronzing and Glow Drops with Niacinamide. So I think this is gonna give us a really soft flush of bronze. So it gives us kind of like that tan look, but it's not makeup. It is a skincare product. But it's also going to be infused with niacinamide, so it's a healthy skincare product as well. So this is what it will look like. It is a full-sized item. I wonder if that's gonna replace like your foundation. So to do a really natural look, just have a bronzing look. You know what I mean? Maybe, I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. The next item in here is the Clean Primer from Ren Skincare. So this is what you'll put on after your skincare, but before makeup. And so you'll put this on to help to grip your makeup in place and keep oils at bay. It is a full-size product, again, so this is awesome. And it's all cruelty-free. And this is a dropper, so you'll be able to just apply the drops directly on, and then I would just kind of buff it in with your hands afterwards. There's also an eye mask in here from 111 Skin. This is the Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask. So you'll be able to put this on when you're getting ready. It will help to brighten up that under eye area. It's also going to depuff that under eye as well. Additionally, we have a cleansing oil inside of our bag. Additionally, we have a blowout cream for skin. Ooh, see, when I think of blowout, I'm thinking of hair care. So this one is from Scene, And it says that this award-winning styling cream, see again, styling cream, was specifically developed to be safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It will deliver long-lasting body bounce and shine and provide hair with protection against UV rays and heat protection up to 450 degrees. So this is so funny to me because it is a hair care product, but they're talking about how this is for skincare. That's really unusual. So it is a styling hair care product, you guys. So you'll be able to put this in, give yourself some body, some bounce. I totally see the look developing here, you guys. Like just a natural, glowy face. We've got soft makeup on. Now your hair is going to be real natural and bouncy as well. I love the look they're creating. Now the next item that we have is a brush. This is from RMS Beauty, and it is their blush brush, which makes sense because we're going to need a brush to use with the Jane Iredale blush. See, I'm getting them confused. I didn't even put that together that technically everything else you could just use your hands or your fingers to apply, or it comes with it, like with the highlighter stick, it already has it built in. But of course, with that blush, we would need to have something to apply it with. So I like that they gave us this brush in here. So this is what it will look like here. Great brand. I love RMS. Their brushes are really nice because they actually have different heights for their bristles. So some of these are taller, like the pink ones are going to be a little bit shorter. So it will really blend out well. So that's why I think that's going to be great, just to apply on a little flush of color, a little on your nose. I love it. Last item inside of this bundle today is going to be from Bioderma. This is their pore refining serum. So this will help to take care of enlarged pores, and it says it's going to refine your texture. Now this one may be full size again. 30 mil or 1 ounce is what it says on the box. And this is what it will look like outside of your box then. So that is everything inside of the Dermstore Get Ready With Me kit. Holy bananas, you guys. I think this is amazing. So there are 15 items inside of the bag. If you count the bag, it's technically 16, which in a weird way, I do think we should count it because it is a travel kit. So, you need the travel bag to go with it. But of those, there's 11 full-size products in here. And you guys can actually get this entire kit for only $85. And I feel like they did give us everything that I would want for just like a quick thing, getting ready, especially if you're traveling. You could do all of this in the car even. But even in terms of like a gift idea, I do think this would be an affordable gift option because there are so many beauty products in here for $85. In comparison, because I kind of think about like what can you get for $85 anymore? And if you buy individual full-size products at Ulta or Sephora, you'll hit $85 within what, 2 or 3 items? Like it doesn't take much. Even if you look at like our $99 advent calendars we've opened up, most of those have all been travel size products or little samples. So I feel like this is significantly larger for the price point that you're paying, but you're still getting a better deal than if you bought them individually. So if you guys would like to purchase this, don't forget I do have a link down below. The only way that you will get it for $85 though is if you use my discount code. So make sure you apply that at checkout and then you'll be able to get the discount off of the bag. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!